welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today is another Wantable box. This one is the Day Tripper, and I will say I made a mistake. There are two different Day Trippers. I picked the Active Edit, meaning workout clothes. I thought I was picking the one above it, which was not workout clothes. So I did go online, the stream, and I selected stuff to give them some guidance. You guys, I have no idea what's going to be in here. Now, there was one box where I did select some sleeveless to wear under things. Because for those of you that are new here, my one rule or pet peeve is if you're gonna give me sleeves that are short, they need to be down to the elbow. It's just a personal preference. So let's see what we got here, you guys. Now, before I dig in, I will say the prices on the things when I was going through the stream, I was like, wow, wow. So we're going to see. We're going to see what they sent. Okay, so we get the return bag. All right, off the top, and also for you, those of you that are new here, Wantable, it is a $20 styling fee. They do charge tax sometimes they don't charge me tax. That $20 styling fee will come off anything you decide to keep in the box. Returns are free. If you keep generally 5 items or more, you get additional discounts. Some boxes, if you continue to keep more items, you get higher discounts. It just really depends on the box. And at the end, when we go through the pamphlet, it will tell me what I've requested and what I haven't requested. So that'll give you that's when we can talk about the sleeves. Okay, so the first item is a gray workout top by Interval. So nothing fancy, just a gray workout top. If the prices are already on the items, I'll tell you now. So this is a Ignite Lightweight Space Dye Classic Tee and Heather Charcoal, $59. Okay. This, I think I requested, or I requested something that was similar to it because I saw this a few times. It is a sweatshirt by Z Supply Active. So I thought it was cute. So it's a lighter weight sweatshirt. However, this is $79. Yeah, that's, I think, pricey. Okay, next item. Looks like we got some leggings. $92. Also by Interval. And I think it's that space again. Maybe. It's cut off. It's different. Yeah, space dye. I think it's cut off. So, so leggings that have pockets on the sides. Not much to see here, so we'll try on and see, but pockets on both sides. Next, the color is really pretty. What is this? Glider. It is laid back long sleeve crew in chestnut adobe rose. So it's a very lightweight. It's so lightweight. It's a combination between a shirt and a sweatshirt, but extremely lightweight. But I do think it's pretty. I do think it's pretty. How much is this? $72. It is very pretty though. And I can see myself totally wearing it. All right, now what is this thing? Okay, I definitely did not request this. It is a sports bra, Enheartened Space Dye Bra, $66. You know, I didn't say I liked, yeah, this is going to be, I'm not even going to try it on because this right here, I find extremely difficult to get on and get off. Yeah, that's just not comfortable for me. Not like I'd be showing you guys anyway. But this, I can already tell you, is definitely going to be a no. All right, next item is Keeley Top and Dove Recreation by Thread and Supply. And it is very lightweight. It is not a sweatshirt material, but let me find what the material is. Because it's very silky. It's 40% modal, M-O-D-A-L, 47% polyester, 6% spandex. Okay, so very basic. Got one more, this and two more items in the box. So these must be like jogger or lounger pants by Glider as well. $68. Serene jogger in chestnut marble. So we'll go with this and oh, look. We'll not go with that. So these, and do have the cuffs at the bottom, and we do have sleeves, not sleeves, goodness gracious, pockets on both sides here, but not a pocket in the back. These next ones, I think I requested these. Beyond Yoga, $68. They are shorts. So I like the zipper. Well, does the zipper go down? Hold on a second. They're, okay, these are very well lined. Yes. Zipper goes down. And zipper goes down. And last item in the box. I did not request these because I totally wouldn't. Oh wait, maybe I did request this actually. It's not what I thought it was. This is Space Dye Skort and Heather Charcoal, $78. So initially I thought it, oh, that was the back. Here's the front. Initially I thought it was like short leggings. What are those called? Biker shorts. And that's why I'm like, no. So this might actually be a yes. So let's look at the pamphlet really quick here before we do try on. So, oh wow. So I actually requested 4 items. So the white shorts I did request. The skirt I didn't, but I like that they threw that in there. The black, gray, heather leggings, I did request those. Those $92 things. What was I thinking? What color is this? The chestnut adobe striped, I did request that. And the white sweatshirt with the tennis, I did request that as well. And then the heather charcoal, very short sleeves, I did not request that, and that's on sale for $44.25. So the way that they're doing their pricing on this one, I had a $20 styling fee, which I will get off. Apparently I have a $5 credit, so I'll take that off. Then they have, oh, this is new. I don't like it. I've not seen this before. Earn cash back credits to use on your next order. I don't like that at all. I don't like that at all. So keep 3 items, you get $25 off your next. 6 items, $60 off your next. 9 items, $90 off your next. So basically what that means, if you keep everything in this box, minus my styling fee and minus my $5 credit, with tax, all of these is $657. So you would need, and there's change. That's what you would need to spend to get the $90 off. I don't like the apply forward. And that's the first time I've seen that. I don't know if it's just these items or if this is the new way they're going, their new business model. I certainly hope it is not, because sometimes it is, what if you don't like the items in the next box? I'm assuming your credit probably does carry over. Maybe not, because it says to use in your next order. Yeah, it says it twice, to earn on your next order. So I like taking the discount on the items that I know I like or I don't like. I have no idea what you're going to send next time. And I've sent back entire bags before with nothing kept. We're going to have to see. I do have another day tripper coming, the one I thought I was initially getting. So we will see what that one says. I don't know, you guys. So let's go try on. Hi, everyone. I just stand all the way back here. Okay, so I've got the skirt on, and I've got this lightweight, kind of not sweatshirty, but kind of like sweatshirty top. So here we go. I love the skirt. It is, so here's the legs. I love it. It is so stinking comfortable, you guys. Love it. So I'm definitely keeping the skirt. This, while I like it, it is nothing special. It is nothing fancy. And for this price, it's just not worth it for me. So I swapped out the bottoms, and I've got the white shorts. I love them too. Here they are. I like that they're longer in the back. See how that is? They've got a little thing right there on them, a little decorative thing. I'm not quite sure what that is. But here, you guys, look, it's got tights underneath. So when I first put these on, I was like, oh my gosh, these are tight. But then I'm like, wait, no, they're not. So I really, really like them. So I might be keeping these as well, because I love the pockets. And they're really comfortable, you guys. I mean, they're really comfortable. So, all right, let's see what else. Okay, guys. So the leggings. I do like that there's pockets on both sides if I can find the other pocket. Okay, I must not have them on straight, so I like the pockets. However, since I'm short, I've got them like pulled way up here, so I got like all this extra right here. The sweatshirt, I do like the sweatshirt. It is very comfy. But the sweatshirt, other than this, I mean, there's nothing, I mean, I don't know. For the price point, I don't think it's worth keeping, but I'm on the fence about it. Leggings, definitely not. I'm not spending $92 on these when I can go to Kohl's and get them much cheaper. So the leggings are definite no. Sweatshirt, I need to think about it. Okay, next outfit. While both of these are very comfortable, these are extremely comfortable, you guys. So stinking comfortable. I am not a big worker-outer. I don't play sports. These types of clothes would be me laying around. Although these would look very nice when I'm running out. I think they're just too expensive to keep for how I would wear them. This definitely not, because the color is not me at all. This generally isn't a color that I wear either. So if I'm gonna get something like this, I would rather these be like a more universal color, blue or black. So both of these are gonna go back. Okay, hey everyone. So I like 3 items. I like the white shorts, I like the skirt, and I like the white sweatshirt. So pricing. If I were to keep those 3, add those together, take off my $20 styling fee, take off my $5 credit, I would be at $200. Now, since I'm buying 3 items, that would mean I would get a credit of $25 on my next order. But again, we don't know if I'm gonna like anything in that order. If we take off the white sweatshirt and just keep with the white shorts and the skirt, by the time you take the 25 off styling fee credit, we are now down to $121 with no pay it forward. So if you think about, the pay it forward, you take the pay it forward, that $25 off, then we are right now looking at $175 to $121. So the question then would be, is that sweatshirt, the white sweatshirt, worth $54? And I just don't think it is, you guys. I just don't think it is. So then it leaves, am I going to keep those white shorts and the skirt for $121? And I think I am, you guys. I really like that skirt. It is so stinking comfortable. And the white shorts, those are too. And I love that they're a little longer in the back. It just makes things more comfortable. And I love that they have the white, like running shorts, whatever they're called, biker shorts underneath, because I have got some other shorts that are similar to this. They don't have those underneath. And when you sit down, like you don't feel like you're fully covered. You feel more open. So I really like that they have those, that built in with those shorts. If they didn't have those built-ins, I would not be keeping them. But those 2 items are very, very, very comfortable. So where are we leaving off? Well, we're leaving off with Terry's keeping 2 items for $121. That's it, you guys. So hope you enjoyed another Wantable clothing unboxing. And until next time, take care, everyone. Bye-bye.